Recently signed to Magnum Tonic Wine as brand ambassador, Queen of Stage Spice is also celebrating 20 years in the entertainment business. We caught up with her recently to hear what she's been up to. Woman power.
The tables turn. What goes around comes back around. Tables turn, the tables turn. Suppose I start do what you do. So no matter come here with your galley self, just ease off, please. 20 years ago, I was a little girl from whole Britain. Coming out of humble beginnings. I remember having one pair of shoes. I remember struggling to get us to listen to a sound box to find out where it is, struggling to go on stage, struggling to make it out there, just going there with witty lyrics and busting the crowd, no name, and just struggling to come into dancehall. You want 5, 6, 7 girl, 8, 9, 10. You want threesome? Guess it's the new trend. Suppose I wanna do it back with you and your friend. Would you lay in bed with me and Ken? Went to the Love and Hip Hop to be a part of the Love and Hip Hop franchise, to be more familiar in the American market into that audience. And I think that's exactly what it did for me. I remember last year when I dropped the Black Hypocrisy movement, it was because of the Love and Hip Hop franchise why so many media houses outside of Jamaica took it up and knew about this girl. Because a lot of people was bleaching before, changing their complexion, and a lot of people didn't take it up. But it was because I was a part of that franchise while I was so internationally known, that so many other media houses could take it up and say, oh, I remember when they were saying the girl from Love and Hip Hop, my dancehall fans got offended. But, you know, little that they know that there's a market outside of just the space here in Jamaica. And that is really what I was trying to do. I was trying to dabble into that franchise to be more Americanized, you know, to not Americanized, but to be more known in the American audience. The tables turn. What goes around comes back around. Tables turn, the tables turn. Suppose I start do what you do.
You launched your foundation. I know you did some stuff in the summer, back to school. You did something. Yes. Any plans for an outreach during Christmas?
Not for Christmas. I think I need to be more prepared for the back to school one that is coming up next year in August, because the one that I prepared for this year, I was catering for over 200 kids and I got the turnout of 2,000 kids. So now I need to start reaching out for more sponsorship and stuff so that next year I can be more prepared, because I wasn't expecting over 2,000 mothers to come out to look towards me for back to school. So now that I know that there is more help, I need to also reach out to see if I can make it bigger. So there's nothing for Christmas, but coming next year for the back to school, I'm hoping to make it bigger and better so that I can cater for the 2,000 mothers that is in need of the back to school. The song is called Rolling, and as you can see, I kind of embedded the Magnum brand into it, so I will call it the Magnum song, but the name of the song is Rolling, and it's out now, and right now I want the Magnum to take charge. So yeah, that is something that I'm going to take right across the island, searching for the man who can take chance. So if you're out there, make sure you start practice from now, okay? You have to be able to can lift up tick bad 20 times for the 20 years that Magnum is celebrating. I'll be in a party with a man back on me, so me bend over me back, bubble dip it and a rock, so me tick it and a tap. You always a cheat, suppose me do it back. Take a page from your book when you look me for lock.
We have more benefits of drinking water. Listen up.
These benefits of drinking water are brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water. Did you know that drinking up to a gallon of water each day can clear up skin problems? Many studies suggest that some of the best care that the skin can receive comes from within. Skin that is adequately hydrated looks less dry and wrinkled. Moreover, spots of flakiness and itchiness become fewer and farther between when the entire body is getting enough fluids. Many persons who have experimented with drinking a gallon of water a day report that their skin glows and looks smoother thanks to the extra hydration. These benefits of drinking water were brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water.
After the break, track star Demish Gaye, the Caribbean video, and the Magnum Top 10 chart.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.